Hey y'all, I hope that you're having a good day. So I'm excited right now to unbox my $99 31 signature enrollment kit. So maybe you have been considering the 31 opportunity and you'd like to learn more about it and then what these awesome products that are going to be coming in your enrollment kit are. So we're going to unbox this kit in just a second. So let's see. This is our $99 signature enrollment kit. It comes in a pink box. So this is our only thing that you're ever going to order from 31 that's going to come in a pink box. So save your pink box when you get it. I have several of mine and I don't throw them away because I love them. They're great for props and everything. But so anyways, this signature kit is going to come with everything that you need to get your 31 business off to a great start, okay? So let's open it up and see what's inside, all right? So inside you have a large utility tote filled with goodness in here, okay? Love this large utility tote. All of your products are going to come in here along with business supplies, which is catalogs, order forms, everything that you need to get your business off to a great start. So first we have the large utility tote in fun flags, and it also comes with the top tote. So this top tote's in navy. It matches the straps here, and you have a clear top so you can see what's on the inside. So this large utility tote, of course, is our #1 selling product. So we are setting you up for success from the very beginning. We have all of our #1 products, top seller products that are in this enrollment kit. So let's get started. So we have the large utility tote, that's our #1 seller. We have the top tote that just slides on the top, and then the handles just fit right through there. All right, let's take out some of this. Feels like Christmas. All right, so on the inside, you have the all-in organizer. So this is in the Pinwheel Party print. So this is great. It has the mesh pockets on the sides, both sides. This is great to keep DVDs if you're going camping or if you're going out of town and you want to keep things organized in your car. This is a great little caddy for your car. Put a box of Kleenexes in here, maybe some DVDs, and you are good to go. It's just a great little kid bag, maybe for church. So this is the all-in organizer. It's coming in your kit. All right, the next thing we have is the statement canvas pillow. How cute is this? So this is in our summer personalization. So we have different designs that you can put on the pillows, but this is one of our print designs. So it's so fun for summer and for spring. So it says sunshine on my mind, and I know it's on my mind for sure. So you can just put any kind of pillow insert in here and you are good to go. All right, the next thing that comes in your kit is the cinch sack. So it comes in the charcoal with the llama on there. How cute is that little llama? He's adorable. So the cinch sacks are great for kids. They're great if you're traveling, if you're hiking. Just cinch the top right here and then put this and wear it as a little book bag. So cute. And then you have a zipper pocket right here to store extra things. So this is a great item to have in your display for sure. The next item is our thermal tote. It also comes in the llama. Look how cute this is. So this is the llama print, and then it's in the green cabana stripe on the back. This thermal tote is great for kids, for just to slide down in their book bag. It's great for, the car when you're traveling, just to put your, your snacks and cold things in. So it is thermal lined on the inside, so it keeps things cold and hot things hot. So this is a thermal tote. The next thing we have is the picnic thermal. So this picnic thermal is in the scallop stripe. Look how gorgeous this is. So it's maybe hard to see in the video, but it's navy blue and white, and then the anchor personalization is in red. It comes with long shoulder straps, so you can wear this as a crossbody. You can wear it on your shoulder, however you'd like to carry it. So for size comparison, you can fit two 2-liter bottles on the inside of here. So it's quite large and pretty tall actually. It has our leak lock lining, which means you can put ice directly in there and it won't leak out. So you have a pocket on the front and the back looks like this. So this is the picnic thermal. All right, the next thing we have is the statement canvas zip top little mini zipper pouch right here. Look how cute this is. So it comes with the print design with the bee on there. It's just a great little bag to keep, slide down in, your purse or, your diaper bag. Just those little extra things that you want to keep together. This is really, really cute. So this is a statement canvas pouch. The next thing we have is the All About the Benjamins wallet. So basically every enrollment kit is going to have the All About the Benjamins wallet because this is our #1 selling wallet. It's our #3 product overall, but for wallets, it's our #1. So it's going to come in this golden color. It's just beautiful, like a marigold color. It's just beautiful. It also comes with a wristlet strap, which makes this wallet so much more functional. So you have the zipper all the way around the edge. Then you open it up and you have your card slots here. You can keep your cash or your receipts back here. So nice. So you have a pocket right here. You have a zipper pocket right here. It's just such a functional and organizational wallet. You have card slots there. Open it up back here and you have extra storage. My iPhone 8 Plus will fit in here and it will still zip up. So this is so great when you're going into the grocery store, All About the Benjamins wallet. When I show this at my parties, I usually sell between 1 and 3 at every single party. Everybody loves their Benjamins wallet and they want it in other colors. So this is our #3 product overall. Next we have the Retro Metro bag. This is in our Stepping Stones print. This is so gorgeous. I'm in love with this print. It just doesn't do it justice. It's just gorgeous. So this is the Retro Metro bag. This is a great bag whether you want to carry it as a purse or whether you want to carry it as like an overnight bag. This thing is perfect. It's got huge deep pockets on the sides. And then when you open it up, you've got a great big section on the inside. And then all of our Retro Metro line, they have an inspirational message on the inside. So this one says, I don't know if you guys can see, it says, "Proud of who I am. Retro Metro collection by 31. So love this bag. It's one of my top sellers as well. Retro Metro bag. And then last but not least, we have the zip top organizing utility tote. So this is our #2 selling product right here. So this has the 7 pockets on the outside, and mine is so flattened from the box. This is in the green cabana stripe. Here we go. This is the zip top organizing utility tote. I've kind of got it, it's still kind of wrinkled, sorry about that. But you have the 7 pockets on the outside, the mesh pockets on the ends, and if you do personalize, it can be personalized here. Then you have the zipper closure on top, and then the open section on the inside. So this is our #2 selling product. So our #1 selling product, the large utility tote. #2, the zip top organizing utility tote. And then #3 is our All About the Benjamins wallet. So all of this stuff comes in this $99 enrollment kit. This alone is $48. Add the wristlet strap. Then you tack on a Retro Metro bag right here. You're already over $100. Plus, with this enrollment kit, you're getting everything that I showed, plus a pack of 25 catalogs, order forms, business supplies, everything that you need to get your business off to a great start. Plus, you get me. I help you get off to a great start. So I hope that if you're considering the 31 opportunity, you will reach out to me because I would love to be able to bless you and your family with 31 the way it's blessed my family. So if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.